Here we come to some more elevators. Looks like they're both on the same controls. This one's got a vandal resistant button, nice. But these are just gonna be insanely as busy as the other one that we just rode, so. I'm not sure how well I'm even able to get a good video anyways. Oh, I love that chime.
Level 4 horticulture gates. Door opening.
Or it looks like we might get a solo ride this time. Door plus one does not.
Level 4 horticulture gates. Door opening.
The door plus one does not work, unfortunately. Oh, you can cancel the call, nice. This is interesting. Oh, it just canceled my call.
Level 5 to conscious. Rear door opening. Lift is going down. Rear door closing. Level 4 horticulture gates. Door opening.
I'm not going to get the other elevator car because I'm on a time crunch, but here's your cab view of this elevator right here.
Lift is going up.
Here's a view of the fixtures. All right, we'll watch it close. All right, there it goes. And that's it.